Hello, everyone. Welcome to this Trinity B1 English Speaking Examiner practice. In this video, I will use simple English to help you understand what the examiner asks, why they ask these questions, and how you can answer to pass the Trinity B1 exam calmly and confidently. This video is especially useful if you feel nervous or if you are not sure how the speaking exam really works. Before we start with the practice, let me first explain how the Trinity B1 speaking exam works, because understanding the exam structure is the first step to feeling confident. The Trinity B1 speaking exam is very short. The total exam time is about 10 minutes only. The exam has two parts. Part 1, about 5 minutes. Part 2, about 5 minutes. So remember this clearly. You only have 10 minutes in total, and Part 1 is only about 5 minutes. Because the exam is short, every minute is important. This practice video is for Trinity B1 Speaking Part 1. Part 1 is very important because you choose the topic. This means Part 1 is the only part of the exam that is fully under your control. If you choose a good topic, Part 1 becomes much easier and more relaxed. In Part 1, you choose one main topic, you prepare 5 subtopics, and you write them on the topic form. You bring the topic form to the exam. At the start of Part 1, the examiner will ask, "What topic have you prepared today?" When you hear this question, you must say your main topic, say your 5 subtopics. Once you tell the examiner your topic and subtopics, the examiner will only ask questions based on what you wrote. The examiner will not ask random questions. They will not change the topic. They will follow your topic form. This means if your topic is easy, the questions are easy. If your topic is difficult, the questions become difficult. That is why choosing the right topic is so important. Now let's look at a real example.
Good morning, my name is Susan. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Ram.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How did you come here today?
I came by car. I drove myself. The traffic was fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Southampton. I like living there because the weather is warmer than other places.
How long have you been in the UK?
I have been in the UK for 5 years. I came from Nepal. I live and work here with my family.
What topic have you prepared today?
My topic today is my daily routine. My subtopics are morning routine, my work, my children, my wife, and my family activities.
What do you do in the morning?
My wife and I wake up at 6 in the morning. We cook breakfast for our children together. The morning is busy but organized.
What do you cook for breakfast?
I cook simple food. I make eggs, bread, and tea. Sometimes I make noodles or toast.
What do you do after breakfast?
I drive my children to school. The school is near our home. It takes about 15 minutes.
What do you talk about with your children in the car?
We talk about school. They tell me about lessons and friends. I like listening to them.
How do you feel in the morning?
I feel a bit tired, but my wife helps me a lot at home. This makes the morning easier.
What do you do for work?
I work in a warehouse. I am a picker and packer. I work full-time and the job is very busy.
What do you do in the warehouse?
I pick items and move boxes. I pack orders for delivery. Sometimes I help with driving deliveries.
Do you work long hours?
Sometimes I work long hours, but usually I work 6 hours a day. I need time to take my children to school.
Do you work with other people?
Yes, I do. Some workers are from Nepal. We talk during breaks and I feel happy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It is hard and busy, but I feel lucky to have a job.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children. One is 6 years old and one is 9 years old. They are still young.
What school do they go to?
They go to a local junior school. It is near our house. They like their teachers and friends.
Do you help them with schoolwork?
Yes, sometimes they ask for help. I help with homework when I can. My wife also helps a lot.
What do you do after school?
I pick them up from school. We eat some snacks and play for a while. Then we talk about their day.
How do you feel about your children?
I feel very proud of them. English is not their first language, but they try hard. They are very important to me.
Can you tell me about your wife?
My wife takes care of the children. She looks after the home. She is very supportive because she also works.
What does your wife do?
She has a part-time job. She works in a local restaurant as a waitress. She works about 3 hours a day when the children are at school.
Do you spend time together?
Yes, we talk every evening. We talk about work and our children.
Do you cook together?
Yes, we always cook together. My wife cooks food from Nepal. I try to cook UK food like fish and chips.
What do you do with your family?
We spend a lot of time together. At home, we watch TV or play board games. At weekends, we often go to the park for a picnic.
Do you do any outdoor activities together?
Yes, we do. In summer and autumn, we go walking and hiking. In winter, we play badminton at the leisure center.
How do these activities make you feel?
They make me feel relaxed. I enjoy spending time with my family. Family is very important in my life.
Please ask me a question.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, I enjoy it very much. I usually spend time with my children and friends on weekends. It's important to relax and have fun together. Okay, we are going to the next part. Tips for Trinity B1 candidates. Keep your sentences short and simple. Add small details about your daily life, like breakfast, school, or weekend activities. Use simple words to describe feelings: happy, relaxed, proud. Ask the examiner one question naturally. Each subtopic, 3 to 4 sentences is enough. Don't worry about using difficult words. Clear and natural English is better. Remember, be confident, speak slowly, and show real-life examples. This is enough to get a safe B1 pass. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you feel confident and prepared. See you next time, and good luck with your Trinity B1 exam.